We are searching how to buy shares of Millicom International Cellular SA to find the correct listing. Millicom is a telecommunications company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TIGO. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you usually must verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can buy. Open the platform search and type the ticker TIGO. Then select the listing that clearly matches Millicom International Cellular SA. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the Millicom share. Check the top of the page where the ticker and company description appear. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account.